Pike.
This guy was such a. He had his friend one, bro.
It's a grenade. He's a
They're so mad. I just killed 2 people with the rocket launcher. What is that? What are those? Shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. Hey, what's up?
Can you run? Above us, above us.
We don't need low.
Nah, we ain't above you.
Listen, dude, you can either leave and save yourselves or come and push and die, so it's really up to you.
Nah. Listen to me. We could be friends.
Wait, you're black? Are you black?
No. I hope I fight this game.
Post trash. I know this game a lot. I'm only 11.
He's 11. Oh my god. How do you
Look
get
at this.
there?
I just glitched so hard. Bro, I'm stuck. I glitched. I'm glitched.
This guy's speaking fucking Spanish. What is this?
Hello?
Oh no. Exactly.
Hola.
That's what I'm saying.
Hola. Hola. Ah. Hola. Soy Dora. Please let me live. Please let me live. Please. Damn, go right for your tail. Right for your tail. I'm coming. Turn on my hat.
Yo.
Alright.
Yo, we're in the tunnel. We're in the tunnel right now. This little tunnel.
Yeah, in the tunnel? Alright, come on. We're going to the
Yeah,
tunnel.
no shooting. No shooting, bro. No shooting. No
I'm
shooting.
not shooting. What's up? What the fuck?
What's up?
Alright, where do we
I'm gonna show you a
go?
trick. So this is alright. So we go down here. You stick him and then you kill him.
Hey, fuck you guys! Fuck off! You bitch ass fuck!
What's left? I'll make you
Tell a
laugh.
joke! Tell a joke! Trust me, it's good. How do you drop shit? This is my first match I've ever
Make
played.
you-
How do you
okay,
drop things?
pull your other stairs.
I
Okay,
got him. I got him.
I'll drop you.
If you look at the wall, if y'all don't look at the wall, we're killing y'all.
Alright, I'm looking at the wall. I'm looking at the
Alright,
wall.
drop everything, man.
How do you do that? There we go. There we
Oh,
go.
the gun. Now get out of here. Go.
Oh shoot! Oh.
Alright, I'm running. I'm running.
Get out of here. Go.
I think we gotta go back and get him. Make him laugh.
How does wait? Oh.
You motherfuckers kill. Oh, baby. Yeah.
Yeah. Yopia. Guy.
Rocket launcher. I'm back in business.
Oh my god.
I got one.
I'm zipping up. What the fuck? I don't get the whimpering. I don't even know how to do that.
What is that?
Like, some girls want to just see guys whimper, and like I don't even know how to like whimper. Like I don't even know what they mean. Like what sound they want me to create. And maybe you're not whimpering, bro. You might just be like you might be just trying to get some action, you know, some booty calls, and you know, some weird fucking barker shawty, you know. Yeah, she might want you to whimper, and then you got to know what to do. And like I'm not prepared for that situation. I don't know what I have to do to please shawty. You know what I mean? Hypothetical shawty in this case. Like I don't know what she wants. I don't know how to please her, which is like a big thing for me. I need to know how to please shawty.
Oh my god, there's so many people up here.
Oh, it's a guy,
Dude.
people up here.
Oh my god, oh my god.
There's people over there. I'm laying fire down. Oh my god, there are people up here. If you wanna cap that guy, please. Behind you.
Ooh, I don't give a shit.
He finished me. He went for me. Run the fuck away. 12 seconds, cut. He's not following you.
Oh my god, I walked in on. No. Let me. Oh my god.
Come back.
They're everywhere. Oh my god, they're everywhere. There are people everywhere in this game. Get the hell away from me. No. Arms are small, your legs
Hey Siri, is there a relation between penis length and height? I've stunned her.
What?
She showed me the weather, dude. I stunned her. They're for like absolute midge not like you. There's the launcher up here if you want it.
I have an outer box.
Bro, what the hell?
He's here. Get him, cut. He's other side, behind you. Left. Right. That was so bad call out, but thank you.
Saw me coming!
His friend pulling up. What the fuck? What the fuck?
No, no, no. Oh, no.
Where are they at? Have your eyes on your eyes on the ground.
They're
Nice,
on-
daddy. You almost got him. Oh, God.
don't call me daddy.
No, not you, my dad.
No. Shoot it.
What the?
There
Definitely
we go.
was that.
Don't try that shit.
No, it's like lukewarm espresso.
It's just not at the right house.
Hey, you know that
Option.
submarine thing?
I just OG mudboned on that guy.
Yeah, that